Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller that keeps blinking blue. Now the first thing you want to do is just grab a USB charging cable like this and plug it into your PlayStation. This is happening because it's trying to connect and pair and it's just not detecting your PS4. So if you plug in a cable and then press the PlayStation button a few times, it's actually going to connect to your PlayStation. So another thing that you could try is flipping around your controller, and there's going to be a small reset pin right here. If you just press this down with like a toothpick or something like that when the controller's on, it's going to reset the controller. You can see it disconnecting on the top. Then after a couple seconds, let go, and then press the PlayStation button a few times, and it should reconnect. So if that doesn't work, we can go on to the next step, which is just simply restarting your PlayStation. So we want to turn it off completely. So you can see the light is turned on right here. Hold down the power button. You're going to hear one beep, and then you're going to hear another beep a few seconds later. And this will completely turn off your PlayStation 4. Then we can just turn it back on and see if this fixes the issue. So we could try turning it on with the PlayStation button, and we'll know it's connected. So we can just press this button on the controller, or we can just turn it on right here if it's simply not turning on. But this is happening because the controller is not connected, and that's why it's blinking. So you can see this worked with the cable connected now. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.